In this video I will be giving you the top 15 foods you should be eating to stop heart disease. Note, number 15 might surprise you. But first, what is heart disease? Heart disease, also known as cardiovascular disease, refers to a group of conditions that affect the heart and blood vessels. According to the World Health Organization, or WHO, cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death globally. In just 3 years ago, an estimated 17.9 million people died from cardiovascular diseases, representing 32% of all global deaths. Knowing this, everyone should strive to start a heart-healthy diet right now to reduce your risk of a heart disease. Let us start with the list. Here are the top 15 heart-healthy foods to include in your diet. Number 1. Oily fish. Oily fish are considered good for the heart primarily because they are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, or EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA. Omega-3s may also help stabilize heart rhythm and reduce the risk of irregular heartbeats, arrhythmias, which can be dangerous and increase the risk of cardiac events. Omega-3 fatty acids can help lower blood pressure by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and improving blood flow. This is important because high blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Number 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins that contribute to heart health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries are also rich in polyphenols, a type of phytochemical that has been shown to have protective effects on the heart. Polyphenols may help to improve blood vessel function, reduce blood pressure, and lower the risk of heart disease. Berries, especially blueberries, have been linked to increased production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow, and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with antioxidants like vitamins C and E, beta-carotene, and various phytochemicals. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are risk factors for heart disease. Leafy greens are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Certain leafy greens, like spinach and arugula, are naturally high in nitrates. When consumed, nitrates can be converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Number 4. Whole grains. Foods like whole wheat, oats, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent sources of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Whole grains also contain minerals such as magnesium and potassium, which play a role in regulating blood pressure. Adequate intake of these minerals can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and related cardiovascular issues. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds contain phytosterols, compounds that compete with cholesterol absorption in the gut. This can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall cholesterol profiles. Nuts and seeds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These fats are considered heart-healthy. Nuts and seeds are also listed in my previous video about foods to eat for diabetes control. Please check the description below for the link. Number 6. Avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados can help lower bad cholesterol, or LDL, levels while increasing good cholesterol, or HDL, levels. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in avocados, such as vitamin E and carotenoids, have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. If you're enjoying the content and finding it valuable, don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button below. Your likes inspire and motivate creators like us to keep bringing you more awesome content. So go ahead, give that button a little love, and let's make this community even more awesome together. Thank you for your support. Number 7. Legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber helps to lower LDL, the bad cholesterol levels, by binding to cholesterol molecules and aiding in their excretion. This can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of plaque in the arteries that can lead to heart disease. Legumes are also rich in potassium, which is an essential mineral that plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color. It has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Lycopene helps lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, often referred to previously as bad cholesterol, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in arteries. In addition to this, tomatoes are a good source of vitamins and nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, as beta-carotene, and folate. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, around 70% or more, contains flavonoids that may improve heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving blood flow. Some studies also suggest that the consumption of dark chocolate may help inhibit the formation of blood clots, which can be a significant contributor to heart attacks and strokes. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic has antiplatelet and anticoagulant properties, which means it can help prevent the formation of blood clots. Blood clots can contribute to heart attacks and strokes if they block blood flow to the heart or brain. Garlic's active compounds have been shown to improve endothelial function by enhancing nitric oxide production, which helps relax blood vessels and improves their flexibility. Endothelial cells line the inner surface of blood vessels and play a crucial role in regulating blood flow and vascular health. Number 11. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can have positive effects on cholesterol levels and inflammation. Research also indicates that consuming olive oil may help reduce triglyceride levels in the blood. Elevated triglycerides are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Number 12. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, particularly catechins, which have been shown to help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These properties can help protect cells and tissues in the cardiovascular system from damage. Some observational studies have also suggested that regular consumption of green tea might be associated with a reduced risk of stroke. Number 13. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which can contribute to a healthy heart. Citrus fruits like oranges are rich in citrus limonoids. Research indicates that citrus limonoids may have potential cholesterol-lowering effects and could contribute to heart health. Number 14. Yogurt. Plain yogurt is a good source of potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake is associated with a lower risk of high blood pressure. Many yogurts contain live and active probiotic cultures, which are beneficial bacteria that can contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is associated with various health benefits, including potential positive effects on heart health. Number 15. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols like flavonoids and anthocyanins. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress and inflammation are linked to various heart diseases. Furthermore, the nitric oxide content in pomegranates can help dilate blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and potentially reducing hypertension. Remember, it's not just about individual foods, but also about adopting an overall balanced and diverse diet. Focus on consuming whole, minimally processed foods, and be mindful of portion sizes. It's also a good idea to limit your intake of saturated fats, trans fats, added sugars, and excessive sodium, as these can negatively impact heart health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more like this. Do check out the next video in the card on the left for foods to eat to fight diabetes.